Good day everyone, this is Engineer Jom Digia. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how to solve a following problem under the subject differential calculus. Specifically, differentiation of algebraic function. So ito ay isang random past board exam problem with solution. So the problem is differentiate f of x is equals to square root of 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. We have four choices here. Letter A, 2x plus 2. Letter B, 1/2 multiplied by the square root of the quantity of 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. Letter C, 2x plus 2 all over the quantity square root of 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. And letter D is 4x plus 4 all over the quantity of the square root of 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. So for the solution of this, so we must recall, no, yung ating formula for basic differentiation. Kapag tayo nagdi-differentiate ng isang function, check din natin yung iba pang involved sa kanya, kung meron ba siyang radical sign. Kagaya niyan, merong radical sign, nakita nyo naman yung square root na symbol. So ganito lang ang ginagawa, no? So syempre, i-jot down muna natin yung given. So yung given natin is square root ng 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. So all we need to do is rewrite, no, yung ating radical sign, gawin nating exponent. So marunong naman na siguro tayo mag-convert niyan. So yan ay magiging quantity 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 raised to 1/2. Kasi yung square root sign natin, kapag ginawa nating exponent yan ay yung function, i-raise mo siya sa 1/2. So pag cube root naman, raised to 1/3. So on and so forth. So magbabago lang yung denominator ng exponent natin. Okay? So therefore, saka mo na siya i-differentiate. So f prime x will be, so ang rule ng differential calculus, ibababa mo yung kanyang exponent. So yung 1/2 na nandyan, no, magiging kabilang na siya doon sa ating function. So 1/2 na minultiply saan? Sa 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. Tapos, yung raised na 1/2 mo, magma-minus ka doon ng 1. So, 1/2 minus 1 is equals to negative 1/2. Okay? And then, syempre, yung nasa loob na function, nakita nyo yung 2x squared plus 4x plus 1, hindi pwedeng pabayaan yan. Kaya dapat, i-derivative mo rin yan. So, yan ay magiging 4x plus 4. So, therefore, itong 4x plus 4 na to, i-multiply mo dito sa 1/2 na may multiply sa 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 na nakaraise sa negative 1/2. So therefore, as you isolate this kind of problem, so ibababa mo tong 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 na nakaraise sa negative 1/2, ibababa mo siya sa denominator. So yung magiging numerator mo dyan is 4x plus 4, pero nakita mo meron ka ditong 1/2, no? So i-divide mo yung 4x plus 4 into 2. So magiging yung numerator mo na ay 2x plus 2. So divided by, i-bring down mo lang yung 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. But this time, positive 1/2 na siya. Kasi diba ang rule ng laws of exponent is kapag yung negative na raised na exponent, kapag ibinaba mo yung mismong function, yun ay magiging positive na. So since naka-raise to 1/2 yung ating denominator, ibalik mo siya sa kanyang original na radical na expression. So yung numerator natin mananatiling 2x plus 2. So yung denominator natin magta-transform na ngayon siya. So magiging square root of 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. So therefore, this is your final answer. Kung titingnan ninyo, nandun siya guys sa letter C. Okay? So, ganun lang, no, ka-basic ang problem na to. So, you must recall the rules of differentiation for our differential calculus. So, this is Engineer Jom Digia. Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to follow my social media accounts. See you on the next video tutorial. God bless us all.